how a heat gun and a 2x4 can fix that dent in this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having a fantastic day. One of the great things, okay, of course they gotta be photobombing me on the showroom floor, but anyways, one of the greatest things I love to do is help my clients out after the sale. Now, where most salespeople sit here and be like, hey, we sold the car, and then pretty much see you later. And by no means is this a braggadocious comment or a vlog post to pat myself on the back or anything like that. I'm just showing you that there are great salespeople out there all across the country that have got your back. I'm not the only one. I promise you, trust me, I have a lot of people out there. So let me show you what I am talking about. I sold this Tahoe to an extremely difficult customer. The guy, I never really ever want to see him again. He's right there. But this is a really nice RST 6.2 liter Tahoe. We put those wheels on it for him, and we also did that Borla exhaust. I'm going to show you that here in a little bit. But here is the issue after the sale. This is what I'm referring to right here. Well, after just a couple months of ownership, that kind of stinks that that happens. So me being the professional that I am and try to be hands-on with everything I do, I think I can get this out, and I'm going to show you how to get this out without any type of body repair and having to replace an extremely expensive bumper on a brand new Tahoe that he just purchased. So I'm back here in our service area, and I gotta apologize up front if there is some noise in this video. It's a working service area. I can't make these guys stop for me to make videos. So what I'm about to show you, I've done quite a few times, so I've got some experience in it, but I got to tell you this as well. This can do a lot of harm to your vehicle, and so don't try this if you haven't done it. But I'm making the video so that way you know that walking into a body shop, walking into a service department, that they don't always necessarily have to replace a bumper, paint a bumper, stuff like that. You can ask some qualifying questions as, hey, listen, I saw this guy on YouTube heat this bumper up and pop that dent out. Can you guys do that? Do you have anybody who has done that here? You can kind of do some searching on your own to do that. So let me show you what I'm going to do. And again, if you have not done this, do not do this on your own. So just like at the beginning of the video, I'm pretty much just going to use this heat gun, this small piece of 2x4. I may use a pry bar, but I don't think I need to use that on this particular dent here. So basically the first things we want to do is make sure that we've got room behind the bumper fascia to get to the backside of this dent. Now obviously I've already checked that before the video, and right up there in the corner, it's gonna be tough to see, but I can access that right just to the right of those wires is where that dent is. So I'm going to start by heating this up, and then I'll show you how to get that out when I'm done. So basically all I'm gonna do is really get this bumper heated up. And now the bad thing about this is you can get into a lot of trouble by heating this paint up too much, and next thing you know, the paint's gonna run, it's gonna flake off, you're gonna ruin the bumper, and you gotta replace it anyway. So again, this isn't something that you really want to do by yourself if you've never done it. As I said at the beginning of the video, you know, it's just an idea that you can go to a dealership and find somebody who's done this before and get them to do it for you. And as you see, I'm keeping the heat gun pretty far away from the paint because I just don't want to really mess anything up on my customer's car. Okay, well, this is going a lot quicker than what I thought. I was going to come behind and use this to push on the back of the bumper, but I'm actually heating this up and it's bringing it out on its own. I don't even have to push on the bumper. That is super sweet. So he's gonna be really excited when he sees this. I didn't even have to push on this bumper, it came out automatically. It came out by itself. Yeah, I've only been, I'm recording right now for 2 minutes and 18 seconds. and I started putting heat on it at 34 seconds, so less than 2 minutes. I think we're good. Show you right there. There you go. I showed you what it looked like beforehand, and it's completely out. Now there's a couple imperfections in here, so I'm going to let this cool down and put a little itty bitty buff on it just to see if I can get these perfections out. But since I heated that up, it definitely needs to cool down before I do that, so I don't burn the paint or anything like that, because this is warm to the touch right now. So we'll have to let that cool down and get that up. But that's pretty awesome. That's a $500 fix right there that you don't have to do. And if you have to replace the whole bumper, you know, that's a good 1,500 bucks, 1,000 bucks, something like that. So it's pretty much cooled down now. Still a little warm, but really the reason this popped out, I was kind of talking to some people off camera. The reason this popped out so easily is just so much strength and memory in these plastic bumper fascias that it just does that. Really cool that this happened to the customer. It wasn't cool when he found out, but when he reached out to me with a text message saying, hey, look what happened to my bumper, oh no, I'm like, hey, just come on, I can fix it, because I knew that right off the gate. But I have never done one that has popped out so quick. So that's super, super nice and super, super easy. And it made this vlog look extremely easy that you could do it at home. But again, I just can't stress enough. I don't want to get a text message or a note saying, oh my God, I tried this and I ruined my car. I don't want to see that. I don't want that to happen. So again, get a trained professional and ask people if they can do this before it gets done. There you go, good to go. There is a very minor imperfection in here. I don't know if the camera is going to pick up on it. I'm trying to focus, but being this is a white bumper, you kind of can see it right there, but nothing crazy and nothing that when you're standing up right here that anybody is ever going to notice. Even at trade-in, the vehicle appraisers never going to see that. They're never going to deduct a penny for your trade value. So let's go give this back to the customer, see what his reaction is, and then we'll do a little start, and I'll show you what that Borla exhaust does on this 6.2 liter Tahoe, which this is the same Borla exhaust that you can put in the brand new 2019 Silverados as well. All right, man, we got her done.
No way.
Yeah. You want to come look at it? Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Let's see. Best car salesman on earth. Look at that, you can't even tell.
Can't. It's amazing.
That is amazing, dude. Come on. Bring it in. I owe you lunch.
Yeah, absolutely. Always glad to help. You don't owe me anything, but always glad to help. So let's do this exhaust. We'll get down right here. I showed you these Borla tips a second ago. Nice little sound out of that. Let me go rev it up a little bit. As you know, I always have to put this disclaimer out there. This is not a cold engine. It's got some mileage on it. I'm not beating the heck out of the engine by revving it up. And I'm only gonna be at about 2,500, 3,000 RPMs. There you go. Nice, cool Borla exhaust. I never got to show that when I put it installed. I did record some video back when I did that. I just never produced the video because I've been so busy. But it's awesome that I get to help a customer out and save him somewhere in the neighborhood of 1,500 bucks. So again, this is what salesmanship is all about after the sale. There are plenty of people out there in the country selling cars that operate just like me. The best advice I can give you is Google your dealership before you go there. Find the salesperson you want to work with, and then most importantly, look on a website called dealerrater.com, and that will help you locate your salesman as well, because on dealerrater.com it allows them to group the salesperson they actually worked with, and you can see all of their reviews. So when you see somebody with a lot of reviews, that means that they're working hard for their customers. They're probably asking for those reviews, but they're trying to do something good in their business and make a name for themselves. So again, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If there's anything I can do for you, reach out to me, ChevyDude.com. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day and drive safely.